Hey, it's Dave. One thing I've learned during the time that I've been recovering from multiple sclerosis is to notice the small things, like waking up to the alarm. No longer does MS disrupt my sleep. My sleep quality is always good. Every so often, it's excellent. Other times, it's fair, but I'm never fatigued like I used to be. I'm always full of energy until it's time to go to bed that night. Small changes noticed. There's a documented link between sleep and myelin formation by cells called oligodendrocyte precursor cells. It has been discovered that during REM sleep, OPCs support the most important oligodendrocyte function of all, myelination. I get up and wash my face. Then, off to the kitchen to eat my one big meal. Something that anyone with MS confined to a wheelchair or relying on a walker would notice. It's having balance and being able to stop at a moment's notice. A small change notice. With my hemiparesis, all my life, I haven't been able to roll my right hand over. I've known for quite some time now. It's connected to my MS, and I don't know why. But I'm starting to be able to roll it over. Small change noticed. What is essential to reduce inflammation in the brain is fasting. Not calorie restriction, like it's a diet, but isolating calories to only one meal, around an hour every day. Enhancing OPC regeneration and axonal remyelination, as well as reduction in CNS inflammation. It all happens with one meal. Today, I'm working out. I alternate days between workout and using my ultraviolet B lamp. I'm getting quicker. I'm getting stronger, faster, burning more. It's changing everything. I feel on top of the world. Small change noticed. Weightlifting promotes myelination by brain cells called astrocytes. They respond to the electrical impulses that weightlifting triggers. I can only report my personal experience, but I think it's all connected. Multiple sclerosis is caused by chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a slow, lifelong inflammation that's forever, it seems like. Medications can help fight the inflammation, but we just feel our symptoms just drive us crazy, don't they? Ultraviolet B light suppresses the immune system, but not the way you think. Both my parents tested positive for COVID a few weeks ago. I probably had it as well, but all I had was a runny nose for a week. Ultraviolet B light causes selective, and I want to emphasize selective, elimination of activated pathological T cells, not the immune system as a whole. So don't think when I say UVB light suppresses inflammation, it suppresses specific T cells, not the immune system as a whole. 15 years ago, it was those pathological T cells that caused inflammation and attacked and ultimately damaged my myelin. It led to years and years of MS symptoms. MS symptoms. 4 years ago, I bought my UVB lamp. And I've been using it, alternating days between using it and weightlifting. And it's changed everything. I believe it has played a major part in my recovery. Small change noticed. Sleep and weightlifting needs one more thing to get the myelin ball rolling, and that's iodine. So what is iodine? Iodine is an essential mineral that your thyroid gland produces to make thyroid hormones. One hormone is called let me see if I can get this right. Trilothyronine, whatever, or simply T3, that's easier. It has been shown to promote oligodendrocyte differentiation. And it has proven that it can enhance myelin repair in numerous demyelination scientific models. It's essential for us as MS patients to make myelin. I've stuck to taking 4 drops every single day ever since 2017. And it works. Believe me, it works. Small change noticed. Making a lifestyle of all these small changes stopped all my MS symptoms and have restored my life. I don't know where I would be if I hadn't started. I don't feel like I have MS any longer. I will never, ever stop doing them. It just feels so right. I'm so pumped. It's like I'm getting the point across to you guys. You guys are jumping on board? Leave me a comment and tell me if you feel it yet. If you don't, you will. It might take some more time, but you will. I don't know the future. They might find a cure for MS tomorrow, but I doubt it. Haven't they been saying that a cure is on the horizon for decades? You don't have to wait. Nobody has to wait. I think my 5 essential elements works so well because the combination on all these things, and they hit all the major points. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.